Hiding an out-of-stock item will prevent confusion when your staff is punching orders. In this video, let's learn how to hide and disable any out-of-stock menu item in your Sapaad POS. To begin, log into your Sapaad account and go to Setup, Menu Setup. Search for the menu item you want to hide in the search field. Let's try baked salmon. Click the Edit button. Under the menu item image, you'd see the item status. Toggle to set to inactive. Note that once you mark the items as inactive, it will be removed from your other ordering platforms, such as Sapaad Online and Sapaad Direct. Click Update. Make sure to click on Refresh POS and Online Menu. And there you have it. You've hidden and disabled an out-of-stock menu item on your Sapaad POS. You can also check out our video on creating cancellation and modification reasons for orders on Sapaad POS. Want to learn more? Click on the link below for a demo.